What is going on, guys? Today we're going to be making a video of how the ghost cam sounds. Since I got this better camera and better mic, I'm going to be putting the ghost cam back on for you guys and showing you guys how it sounds. And yeah, just do a few drive-by clips. And so let me give you guys a cold start, even though it's like almost 100 degrees in Texas. But yeah, let me give you guys a cold start. Alrighty guys, let's get this cold start in. Flashing the tune on right now on the car. If you guys don't know, using the N gauge, you guys can see right there. And yeah, it's just, I'm tuned by Lund. So they just sent me over. I just asked, I want the ghost cam tune. It's a free tune, they give it to you for free, and they send it over through email. I put it into the N gauge and I just flash it onto the car. So yeah, right now it's flashing on. It takes about like a couple minutes for it to finish up. But yeah, once the flash is on, we're gonna get this car started up and show you guys how it sounds and everything. So once it gets started up, I'm gonna let it idle out a little bit and let the cam settle in. And yeah, once it settles in, I'll give you guys a sound clip of that, and then I'm just gonna do a few drive-bys. So the cam, it'll start chopping below like 10 to 15 miles per hour. So once you get below that, it'll start to chop again. But once you get over that, just like a normal cam, the chop goes away. But yeah, I'll be driving by pretty slow, so you guys can hear it, how it sounds when it's driving, and then how it sounds when it idles, and stuff like that, how it sounds in the inside, how the engine feels and everything. So yeah. Alright guys, the tune has been flashed. I'm about to start the car up. So yeah, like I said, it's gonna take about like a minute or two for the chop to settle in. But yeah, it's gonna take a second right now. Starting to settle in there, as you guys can see. Trying to show you guys like how it sounds if I'm like in front of the car. It's pretty loud, but I'm gonna set you guys up and I'll give you guys a few revs. put the camera down and then I'm gonna drive by, show you guys how it sounds while I'm driving. Alright, I'm gonna pop the hood for you guys and then show you guys how the engine shakes or anything while the ghost cam is on there. Kind of is shaking, if you guys can see. Yeah, it is shaking a little bit. Alright guys, so I'm inside the car. I got the windows up. As you guys can see, the car is idling right at about 1,000 RPMs. It does throw a check engine light because of the camshaft position sensor. Like, it takes time for the camshaft position sensor to learn its position because of the ghost cam. So yeah, that's what the reason that's on. Alright, I'm gonna pull the windows down. Let's see how loud it is. I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but I mean, it's pretty loud. Alright, let's go. It jerks a lot when you take off. You guys are gonna notice that if you do it, especially on a manual. Might even stall out. Now it's gonna start chopping. Right when you get to like 15, 20. I mean, it is real loud because I got Roush axle back, stacks pipe, and American racing headers, so when you throw the ghost cam on top of that, this thing will blow your ears out. Oh yeah, and another thing is gas mileage. Probably gonna get pretty bad gas mileage. because what it does is turns the timing up in the car, throws more fuel to make it chop like that, and yeah, that's about all it does. And then Lund gives you the tune for free, so why not try it? Turn the AC on, and if you look, the car starts jerking a lot. I have it in drive. Jerking quite a bit. See if it does it in neutral. It starts chopping again. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that video of the ghost cam. If you guys have any suggestions or any other videos you would like to see, just drop them down in the comments below, or you can DM me on Instagram at immune50. But yeah, I'll be dropping more content on my 50 and my Charger Scat Pack. And yeah, if you guys have any suggestions for any of those cars or anything, just let me know. You can DM me on Instagram like I said, or you can straight comment down below. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. And you guys stay tuned for more. You guys stay tuned for more, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.